Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to be showing you how to make white chocolate Oreo fudge.
Hey bakers, welcome to my channel. My name is Heather and I am the recipe creator and cookbook author at bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others just how easy baking from scratch can be. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make a really super simple Oreo fudge. It's only 6 ingredients. There's no candy thermometer required. It's such an easy treat that everyone is going to love. So let's get started. Let's make my easy Oreo fudge.
Start by crushing up 24 Oreo cookies. I just did this by putting them in a large plastic bag and using a mallet, but you could also use a rolling pin. Then melt together 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk with 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, 3 cups white chocolate chips, and just a pinch of salt.
Make sure you're using sweetened condensed milk though, and not a can of evaporated milk. They are not the same ingredient and you are not going to get obviously the same consistency. This just gets melted together on the stovetop. When you take it off the stovetop is when you're going to stir in that vanilla extract, just the way it doesn't burn off as you're stirring this together. Then you're going to also stir in some crushed Oreo cookies. I like to reserve some of the Oreo cookies to sprinkle on top just for a nice pretty appearance in the end. I like to also leave some of the Oreo pieces a little bit bigger throughout so they're not just all crumbs. You just stir those in and then you go ahead and put that into your pan. Go ahead and put it in the fridge. How simple was this Oreo fudge? This is something that my husband and I could not stop eating. We were obsessed with it, and I hope you are too when you give it a try. If you do give this recipe a try, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.